Definitely. Come on.
This is unbelievable. After the sandstorm, dunes have piled up to the upper floors. To put it in perspective, we're standing at about 5th floor height and it's all sand. Get up, it's slippery.
Yeah, sand everywhere.
See the thing past the towers. Just get the windshield clear and go. Happy quick. Yeah, sand's packed in.
Got it! Anyone over there?
Anyone hurt?
It's shaking up!
Shake it. Here, right here.
Careful, careful. Sand's
Breathe
coming
slow. You all right?
in. Yeah, just folks. Over here. Cars made it through.
Look at the whole town. It's all dunes now. Yeah.